Small repair on my Dreamcast, changing my broken power supply. I ordered this power supply from a site. Quite easy to install. An alternative to my power supply, and it works wonderfully anyway. Very happy with the result. And now the moment of truth has arrived. It works.